So, as a Christian, what's the best way of celebrating Easter?
Okay, I think giving out to the needy. I also think keeping yourself holy.
Uh-huh.
I also think abstaining from some immorality.
Okay, what's the best way of celebrating Easter as a Christian?
The best way.
Yes, of celebrating Easter as a Christian.
The best way is to celebrate it in a way you know is best for you.
Okay, have you been celebrating Easter?
Yeah.
So, what's the best way as a Christian to celebrate Easter?
As a Christian, you just have to go to the
To
church.
go to church
Yeah.
on a Friday morning.
Yeah, like today is Good Friday.
Good Friday,
Go to
yeah.
church this Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Go to church again. Then till Sunday, which is the revelation of Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
So you have to go to church that Sunday also.
So, is it as a Christian, what's the best way of celebrating Easter? As a
The best
Christian.
way is to share the purpose and tell people who are yet to know that Christ has died and he has resurrected. Share that resurrection power, let it be there in your life, let it be there in everything you do, not just in words, in action also. That power that raised Jesus from death will quicken our mortal bodies to do the needful as Christians.
All right.
We celebrate it, share love, help the needy, share food to the hungry. Because there's a lot of cooking to be done. To
Yeah,
them.
really
It's
amazing.
not personally, share to people that are living in general.
As a Christian, what's the best way of celebrating Easter?
The best way is to go to church
Go to church in the morning
in the
and Friday morning.
on Friday morning. There are some churches that have programs Friday morning, evening, and then Saturday morning and evening, then Sunday, then and afternoon. So the best way to celebrate Easter is just to go to church and then worship God.
Go to church and worship God.
Yes.
Keeping yourself holy.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
So, how can someone keep he or herself holy in this?
This season,
Yeah.
this period.
Yes, this period.
Okay, I think one way you can actually keep yourself holy.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
One way you can actually keep yourself holy, abstain from sexual immorality. One. Another one you can actually lying.
Abstain from lying.
No, like yes, saying lie. You just have to abstain from that,
Yeah.
and a lot more. Anything that is bad, just
Okay. In a way that I know that is best for me, by sharing gifts, showing love to loved ones, and
You can share gift if you are blessed to do that.
Okay, if I'm blessed to do that, you can as well share gifts. All right. Thank you very much. I do appreciate your time. You are welcome. All right. Okay. Well done. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. My name is Peter.
No worries.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
I do appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you very much. I'm Peter by name. All right. Praise. All right. You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. My name is Peter.
all right.
And
I'm
you?
comfort.
Comfort.
Akasemi.
All right.
Anyone.
You are welcome.
Subscribe now at Ogoni Marketplace.